This is pre-calculus final exam review 1B, problem 15. Prove that the cosecant to the power 4 of x minus the cotangent to the power 4 of x equals 1 plus 2 cotangent squared of x. All right, this is a toughie. I want to focus on the left-hand side, and I want to manipulate that algebraically and see what I can do to get that to look like the right-hand side. But it's only the left-hand side I'm going to be working with. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to notice that that's the difference of two squares. And so I'm going to factor it. The cosecant to the power 4, the square root of that, is cosecant squared. And I'm going to line up my board a little. Okay, back. And the square root of cotangent to the 4th of x is cotangent squared of x. All right, so this is half of the difference of two squares. We need the other parentheses with the plus instead of the minus. Okay, now, Pythagorean identities are very useful when we've got trigonometrics squared, all right, especially added and subtracted together. So I want to look for one of the Pythagorean identities that has cotangent squared and cosecant squared in it. And here it is. This is the Pythagorean identity that has that. 1 plus cotangent squared of x equals cosecant squared of x. Okay? Now, I would like to get that in this form. All right? So I want to start with cosecant squared, and I want to put cotangent squared on the same side of the equal sign as it. So I'm going to subtract cotangent squared from both sides. And so that will give me 1 equals cosecant squared of x minus cotangent squared of x. Okay. So if that's equal to 1, I can replace 1 there. So now I've got 1 times, and then all of this comes down. All right, 1 times cosecant squared of x plus cotangent squared of x. And of course, 1 times anything is a thing itself. All right, I'm not done yet. I only have cotangent, all right? So in my answer I'm trying to get to, so I want to look for what can I substitute cosecant for. And I go back to the exact same Pythagorean identity, okay? Cosecant is equal to 1 plus cotangent squared of x. So I'm going to substitute that here. Where cosecant squared is, I'm going to put 1 plus cotangent squared of x. This red one comes down. And then I'm going to combine like terms. So I've got 1 plus, these two are like terms, so if I add them together I get 2 cotangent squared of x. And that is exactly what I was searching for. All right, that's it.